Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So guys, kung naghanap kayo ng affordable townhouse here in Tandansora, Quezon City, please continue to watch this video. And in front of me guys is our ready for occupancy and pre-selling project here in Quezon City with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport with living and dining area. So let's check our model unit. Let's go. So part of the turnover guys is this individual gate, no? So naka-individual gate yung unit. Yan. So upon entry, you will be welcomed by your parking space. Okay, and let's move forward. So upon entry, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. There you go. So this is fully finished upon turnover. Ibig sabihin naka-tiles, fully painted yung mga walls, and may partition na yung rooms. Okay, let's move forward. So we have here our service area and our emergency exit. Ayan, and this is your common room. Okay, let's move forward. Sa second floor, guys, you have 3 bedrooms, you know, and 1 common toilet and bath, and balcony sa may master's bedroom. So this is your bedroom 1, guys, and then meron kang space pa dito, no, for your laundry. Yan, and your emergency exit. And ang taas ng ceiling niya guys. So pwede pa tayo mag-loft for this room. Okay, let's move forward. This is your common toilet and bath. And we have here your bedroom 2. And this is your master's bedroom with its own toilet and bath as well. Alright. So guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below. Or if you wanted to book a tripping, message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!